Hi guys, so I'm just going to check and have some water. Look at this. Look, let's press it in 3, 2, 1. What the? Again. Oh my gosh. What is going on? This is so funny. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, what? Feels so comfortable. Okay, good. No more. All right, no more. I wonder what? Another one. No, you may not drop anymore. Okay. Well, glad that oh my gosh, another one. Well, that's the end of the video. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. Oh.